If you want to complete accurate, fast aerial drone surveys but aren't sure how to get started, Position Partners has just released our Be in Control survey drone package that will give you an end-to-end solution with training and support included. The Be in Control bundle includes DJI's popular Phantom 4 RTK, which combines an easy-to-use, robust aircraft that can deliver precision survey accuracy in a wide range of projects. For your processing and photogrammetry needs, AgiSoft's Metashape software is included, complete with Position Partners' own custom-built processing workflow. Virtual Surveyor is a visualization and data analysis platform that brings your 3D model to life so you can complete survey work in a virtual environment. With a dedicated RPAS team that has worked with survey drones since their inception, you get product training and technical support included to maximise your success.